Okay, I'm recording. This is Pat Deevy's photo album. A trip in 1950 from the United States to Kilkenny area. In this left upper corner is Michael Kelly, John Phillips, a chauffeur, Mrs. M. Deevy, Mickey Deevy, Joe something, and 4 Deevy children. And I'll try to get a little closer without blurring it. Down here we have Mickey Deevy's house in Drumug, and just scanning a few other pictures. This is the outhouse, Mickey Deevy's outhouse, and this is the Hogneys house in Rothig. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Again, these are from Pat Deevy's trip. If I turn the page, what can I say? We have Jim Wade, Mrs. Deevy, Tommy Deevy in cut and claw. And again, I guess this is the wilderness, as you put it. And this site might look familiar. Who knows that? Is it a reservoir or a river? Let me find out.